In the heart of Sabang City, the Sabang One-Stop Services Hospital poised to be a symbol of healthcare excellence and innovation. Strategically located in one of Indonesia's premier tourist destinations, this facility is set to become the cornerstone of the region's growing medical tourism industry. Designed to be a comprehensive healthcare facility, the hospital offers a full range of services under one roof. From cutting-edge diagnostic and advanced surgical procedures to holistic wellness programs, it caters to the needs of local residents and international medical travelers alike. What sets Sabang One-Stop Services Hospital apart is its ability to seamlessly blend world-class healthcare with Sabang's unparalleled leisure experiences, creating a unique destination for medical tourism. For investors, the hospital represents a secure and lucrative opportunity in Sabang's dynamic healthcare sector. Backed by an innovative and flexible collaborations model with a long-term concession, the project offers sustainable growth potential and strategic returns. Join us in transforming the future of healthcare in Sabang. Invest in the Sabang One-Stop Services Hospital, where exceptional care meets extraordinary experiences.